Hi, good evening. This is Kamal Rajalingam, Assistant Vice President of Allianz Group. It's a great pleasure for me to connect with you today. Allianz Group has been in industry for last 16 plus years, and we are a 14,000 crores worth projects under execution, and we are currently building up around 36 million square feet in Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. We have already handed over 5,000 to happy customers. We also have a subsidiary called Urbanrise Group, which is into the affordable segment, and in Allianz it is the regular homes and luxury homes which is part of it, and Urbanrise, it is basically the affordable segment, which is 12 lakhs to 40 lakhs homes. We have over 5,000 happy families, and we are currently having around 11 projects. Basically in Chennai, if you see, we have it in Pallavaram, Kolattur, OMR. In OMR we have both affordable and the regular housing. In Kelambakam, which is Humming Garden, and we have the Independence Day and the Gold Standard in Siruseri and Padur. And we also have affordable housing at Kelambakam. Additional to this, we have it in Guduvanjeri, which is the Jubilee Residences, and we also have plotted development in Oragadam, the Villa Belvedere, and plotted development called the Eternity at Tirumalisai. We also have villa projects at Kelambakam and Porur. We are basically, if you see, we are both into apartments, affordable apartments and villas and plots. Allianz Group is financially strong and disciplined organization. We have around 1,200 employees working in all our offices. One of our best project is Allianz Galleria Residences, and which is located on 200 feet Pallavaram Thoraipakam Radial Road. It is in between the Embassy IT Park and on one side, and Ascendas IT Park on the other side. It is on main road project, and it is a fabulous project with 1,200 apartments and with lot of amenities. In fact, Allianz Galleria Residences has got awarded for the best unique design because of its no common wall construction methodology. That is, in an apartment, if you see, there will be a common wall, but in Allianz Galleria there is no common wall between two apartments. It is like a villament. That is, each apartment there is a distance of 5 feet gap, so that there is a complete privacy which you enjoy. And we also have come out with the construction methodology, which is Maivan technology, which is one of the best construction technology, where because of Maivan technology you don't have leakages, dampness, it is earthquake resistant, and it has smooth finish and a long shelf life. And every walls in this is basically a shear wall concept. That is, they are load bearing walls, so that it is earthquake resistant. This is basically in between, connecting between the GST and the Pallavaram Kilkatlai junction and the OMR. So this road, Pallavaram 200 feet radial road, is one of the most happening place today, and one of the highly appreciating place today, because of almost 70,000 employees going to be working in Embassy IT Park and Ascendas IT Park, and this is being in a kind of an IT corridor. You will have a great opportunity if you invest in Allianz Galleria Residences. I feel real estate has started picking up now. In fact, in Allianz Group itself, our sales have increased. Even during lockdown, we did good numbers. We almost did 136 sales, almost 65 crores worth in the time period of April and May itself, when everywhere else it was locked down and nothing was happening. In fact, you could see that car sales have increased. I think the sentiments of people are changing. One thing which I see is the amount of people walking into site, though may have reduced, but people who are walking actually are genuine buyers now, and so we are able to close more deals comparatively. And I also feel that the home loans rates have come down, which has helped real estate to a larger extent. because the loan rates are around 6.9%, and we are expecting it further to dip as well. So with this, I feel a lot of people, a lot of inquiries have started coming in, and sales are also picking up across all the developers. Now that lockdown has eased off and more people have started moving in and around Chennai and to various cities, I feel real estate will start booming only. In fact, from June onwards, if you see, we have been doing fairly around 250 to 300 sales, and month on month we have been seeing a good amount of increase in sales basically. So I definitely believe real estate is going to go up. One, because of home loans, reduction in home loan rates. Second, because currently if you see, the available stock in entire Chennai is kind of coming down, because no new launches have happened of recent past. Because of this, everyone is looking at buying homes. One, because share market is very volatile, and second, if you see, gold prices are up and down, and because of this, everyone believes that safest bet to invest currently is in homes, because during COVID time, most of the time where they were in the places was in their home, and so everyone have started believing the importance of a home. And because of this understanding, even people who are on rental basically are looking to buy their own home, so that they can live freely without any hassles of rental home. And because of this, I can see a lot of increase in our demands. Basically, our affordable homes, which is the Urban Rise brand, we are getting good amount of inquiries and good amount of sales. And in fact, even our Alliance brand, which is basically into our luxury, we are also seeing good demand, because people have realized the largeness of space. They want extra room because of COVID. Now that most of the people, most of the companies are working from home, they want they are looking at larger spaces. They want a space for working from home itself, like an office come home. So because of this, there has been a demand, and during COVID, all the pent up demands is now getting realized because of festival coming in place now. I think real estate will really boom, and this is definitely, I can see it in my own projects, that is in Alliance Group, and I'm sure all my builder developer community also will agree with me the same. Though there has not been increase in price during the COVID times, I definitely see that since there's an increase in demand and shortage of supply, because new launches have not come unlike last year. So whatever stock is there currently today are getting sold off. So because of this shortage in demand and supply, I'm sure prices will hike, or will increase. I don't see it will further reduce any further, but I'm sure it might definitely, there's a possibility of increasing in prices by all developers. I see a lot of spike in inquiries from NRI. I think basically because a lot of NRI are feeling that returning back to hometown is the safest bet today. In fact, of job volatility in abroad, they feel being in Chennai or being in their hometown is a much safer bet. And if people are returning to Chennai, for instance, or to the hometown, I think to Tamil Nadu, basically Chennai would be the preferred location, being the capital of the city, and more job opportunities are in Chennai. I feel that people will opt for living in Chennai. That is one reason which I see there is a good spike. Even in Alliance Group, we have of last 2-3 months, we are seeing a good increase in inquiries, and we have got good sales also from NRI market. So that is a good segment which we are tapping as well right now. We have been associated with Chennai Properties for the last 3+ years, and they have been supporting us in a very big way. They've been primarily supporting us in lead generation. I think they use a very great mechanism of lead generation, which has been very robust and gives us quality leads. And we have also got good closures from that. And they have been providing leads for all our projects across Chennai, and we have successfully closed a lot of leads, and I really would appreciate their support. I take this opportunity to thank Chennai Properties for giving me a wonderful opportunity to connect with you all. I'm sure and I hope that this information which I've shared with you would be of some use to you all. Thank you.